How do I remove the Becker Map Holder? To remove the Becker Map Holder, follow these steps. 1. Start by ensuring that the Becker Map Pilot is not connected to the holder and that the device is powered off. 2. Examine the holder to locate the locking mechanism, which is typically found on the back or sides of the holder. 3. Depending on the specific model, the locking mechanism may involve a button, switch, or sliding mechanism. 4. Press the release button firmly, move the switch, or slide the mechanism to unlock the holder. 5. As you disengage the locking mechanism, you'll notice the Becker Map Pilot becoming slightly loose within the holder. 6. Gently and steadily pull the Becker Map Pilot away from the holder, making sure not to apply excessive force. 7. Some holders may have additional safety features or clips to hold the device more securely. Check the user manual if you encounter any extra clips. 8. If there are additional clips, follow the instructions in the user manual to release them properly before removing the device. 9. If the holder is attached to your vehicle's dashboard or windshield, take care when removing it to avoid leaving any residue or marks. 10. Clean the area where the holder was attached if needed to maintain the cleanliness of your vehicle's interior. 11. If you plan to reinstall the Becker Map Pilot in the same holder or a different one, ensure that the holder is clean and free from any obstructions before reinserting the device. 12. Store the Becker Map Holder in a safe place if you intend to use it again or keep it with your navigation system for future use. 13. Double-check that the Becker Map Pilot is securely detached from the holder before proceeding. 14. Once the holder is removed, you can use the Becker Map Pilot independently or store it safely when not in use. 15. Following these instructions should allow you to remove the Becker Map Holder with ease, without causing any damage to the holder or the device. If you encounter any issues during the remove process, contact support for assistance. Link in description box.